Hey, Ty.
Yeah?
Hey, it's lunchtime. Can you feed the dogs, please?
Yep, no problem. All right, well, we've got a problem. What do you suggest?
Well, I guess you could just take my car.
Just take your car?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think, while that's an excellent idea, I think I have a better solution.
Okay, let's hear it.
You come with me. Well, you know, since I don't have any major motorcycle trips planned for the next month or two, I thought, yeah, if I've got to get out of the house and get a big old bag of dog food, why should I not take the bike? You're probably looking at that motorcycle right now and thinking, how in the world are you going to get a big old bag of dog food in those saddlebags? Well, lucky for us, we were going to test out something. We were going to be testing out the RickRak complete luggage system for your Harley Davidson motorcycle. Now, I know many of you guys out there have already seen this RickRak system demoed by some of your favorite content creators, and I'm in the boat with you. I've seen it as well. But today we're going to be doing something a little unconventional, and you get to see a real world example of how this thing works. One quick thing that I wanted to point out is my wife actually purchased this for me for my birthday, so in no way is RickRak affiliated with this. They didn't provide this for review or anything like that. We purchased this with our own money. So with that out of the way, let's get to it. So we've got the RickRak system out here on the table. We're going to be taking a closer look. Now, before you are able to attach this to the motorcycle, this has to have something to attach to. And I wanted to show you guys that real quick too. So what you are going to need is this Harley Davidson luggage rack. This one is the King luggage rack, I believe. You can get it from Harley Davidson on their website. It's right around $269. I believe you can also buy this on RickRak's website if you're getting the complete package for this and the luggage system. I picked this one up from my local dealership. On the Harley Davidson website, it's always showing that it's on back order, you know, for a couple of weeks out. So I got lucky. White Lightning Harley Davidson had it, and I went ahead and scooped that up from them. But you are going to need this, so let's get it on the bike and then we will proceed. Now that we have the luggage rack mounted to the bike, we need to now that we have the luggage rack mounted to the bike, we need to get the luggage mounted to the luggage rack. Now, if you've never seen this before, it's super easy. So as you guys can see, these two connection points here are going to sit on the back of the luggage rack. I will show you that. And then on the front side of the bag, we've got these two harnesses, or these two clamps that will screw down. So we're going to get this on the bike now. Okay, let's get these guys on here. There we go. Yep, nice. All right, that ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna budge. All right, let's take a look at what I've got in the bag and maybe what you can put in the bag. Okay, here we go. And oh, the all-important rain cover, right? You don't want your stuff getting soaked if you get caught out in the rain, so this is very much needed. It's super roomy. It's got, just for me, traveling on my own solo, plenty of space to put clothes or whatever else I might need. I mean, it's great, and it comes off super, super quick. I'm sure you guys have seen it. So there's rollers on this side of the bag. As soon as it pops off, you can put it on those rollers and take it anywhere you want to go. So I like it. Like I said, I'm going to use this for trips when I'm going out of town. I'm also going to use it for camera equipment and just anything miscellaneous that I can think of that's going to go in here. I think it's going to be perfect for me. I am looking forward to using it. So maybe now is the time to get out on the road and see how this thing really behaves. Wow, the things we do for our pets. It's crazy, isn't it? A motorcycle ride for the dogs. I just love it. Anyway, it's beautiful out here today, so I don't mind one bit getting out and about. we're going to talk about this RickRak luggage system as we're going. So what about cost for the RickRak system? Well, this is going to run you, what I say, $489, or what the website say, $489, I believe, $489.95, something like that. Anyway, so you combine the RickRak luggage system with the Harley Davidson luggage rack, and yeah, it's a pretty high price point. It's pretty expensive, not gonna lie, but if it's worth it and it's gonna last for years and years, then maybe it's a wise investment. Who knows? Time will tell. Well, you know what? It turned out to be a pretty good day. This is like one of the very first days that I've been able to go out riding and not bring heat gear or a real heavy jacket. So you know what? I will take it. I'll take it any day. In my side mirror, I can see the bag back there hanging on for dear life. I can't feel it at all other than the wind just pushing me around. But so we're almost there, and then we'll get these pups some food. All right, here's where we're turning in. We're gonna find a nice little comfy spot to put this motorcycle. Ooh. Well. Looks like we got lucky. All right, Nougat Paws right here. This is where we're heading. See what they got for them. Okay, let's see if all this stuff's gonna fit in here, right? Sunglasses on. All right, let's see what we got here. Some cargo net. I think we're gonna be okay. One tiny bag of dog food. They didn't have the big ones, so I had to get the smaller ones. And then, so we got 2 of those we're gonna put in there. And if you go to a pet food store and you don't get your dog a toy, I mean, what's the matter with you, right? What's the matter with you? So, let's put all this up here. Yeah, if you're in the Chattanooga area, Nougat Paws. They are exceptional over there. Okay, I think we're loaded up and good to go. I think this luggage rack says not to exceed 30 pounds or something like that. We're nowhere near that. All right, let's pack up and get out of here. As I'm gearing up, how many of you eagle eyes out there noticed that? See, the side panel is gone. I wonder why. What could I be cooking up? I'll tell you what, if somebody guesses right in the comments below, I'll go over to White Lightning Harley Davidson, buy you a t-shirt and mail it to you. Guess right in the comments. Let me know what you think. Well, thank you guys very much for hanging out with me today. My pups are going to be very happy when I get back home. Not only do they get food, but they get a toy. And that's just awesome. I love it. Really. If you found any value in this video, if you would like, subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're rocking some other type of luggage system, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to be able to hear about it. A lot of content coming up on the channel. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.